Hi, and welcome to the 2015-16 school year Tech Tuesdays. You'll notice that this Tech Tuesday is a little bit different than our Tech Tuesdays from the past. Typically what we would do for Tech Tuesday is around 8:15 people would show up in conference room A or B or some open room that we had reserved. Around 8:15 or 3:15 depending on the day, and for 10 minutes we'd sit together. I would or someone else would share a tool and how we're using it in the work we do, and then there might be a short conversation about how do you see this tool being used in the work you do, and then we would dismiss, and it would be a quick way to get a new tool in your toolbox. And you didn't have the guilt of feeling like you had to sit through a big long training, but just sort of to bring some awareness, but also to have some time to share some things about technology that we're using out there. Typically, people could show up for them some months. October was a really rough month, and then again in March, I believe, was a really good, terrible month for people to get out of their schedules to actually show up into a Tech Tuesday session. So we thought this year we would pilot a virtual Tech Tuesday where you can watch it at your leisure. It really is supposed to be designed for you to get a little tidbit of information and for us to have a little conversation about how we might use this in the work we do. I'm hoping that this will encourage you to also create a Tech Tuesday virtual experience yourself and send it to me, and I'll upload it on our page. We have an SSD instructional technology page where I'll be sending these links, but I'll also have the links to the blog, or the link to the blog that we started last year, so that we could stay caught up. People could refer to it if they came to a Tech Tuesday and they wanted to have some notes or a summary about it, or people who didn't get to attend could look up the blog and take a look to see what happened that week. So one of the tools that we started with last year that has sort of taken off is Zaption. So I thought that one might be a fun intro tool to share today for our first Tech Tuesday, and also Screencast-O-Matic. So one of the things I found out about Zaption is that it doesn't support every file type of video to upload, and I did my first screencast using Jing, which is my go-to screencast because it's super easy. But when I tried to upload the Jing to the Zaption page, that sounded like a crazy sentence, didn't it? It wouldn't accept that file type. So I opened up Screencast-O-Matic and tried it out a couple of times, and here we are. And this will be uploaded to my YouTube channel because that's how Zaption works too. It pulls from YouTube, and then I can put it into this handy dandy little video editor software. So I want you to take a look at the menu items up here. You can go to the gallery of Zaptions. You can see what other Zaptions folks have made, and then you can search that gallery for a specific topic. So if I put math, you'll see all of the math stuff that's been loaded up, and they're already tours. And what that means is it's already designed to be interactive. Someone's put all of the work into it already, and then there are a couple of collections there as well. But if I want to create my own tour, you can see I have a way to get to my specific tours, and I can search the Zaption gallery and I can create a new one. You can see the videos I've uploaded, or I can upload from here. So this is where it would actually take me to. You'll see that Zaption is grayed out if you're using the SSD account. The Pro account that we have at the Learning Center only has so much space, so that space has been used, so we'll go to the YouTube and page and upload our videos there, and that's where we'll house them. And then Zaption pulls from YouTube. You just put the URL in there when you get ready to upload. So you can join a group, you can create a group, you can check out the gallery like I said before. So let's take a look at this new tour. When you're ready to start one, what you do. So you click on New Tour, and say for example you want to look at some videos and you want to annotate a video and make it interactive about co-teaching. Well, when I type it in there, you'll see that first of all the YouTube videos pop up. So all of these videos here, there are 99,000 videos, blah blah blah, on YouTube about co-teaching. But maybe you want something that's been a little more vetted, and you think maybe Vimeo might be more teacher-oriented, that maybe somebody's gone through the videos and making sure that those really are co-teaching videos. PBS has 0. You'll see the number out here, how many videos they're offering under the topic that you typed into the keyword search. National Geographic, but wait, there's more. TED, Discovery, NASA, Edutopia, Vsauce, Crash Course, SciShow, CGP Grey, Global Oneness Project, and the MP4 URL. So let's take a look at Edutopia. Edutopia has 10 videos, and you can take a look through and click on each one, watch it, decide if that's what you want to use, and then you can click here and add it to your tour. So you can do a lot of things with that. But if you're interested in creating your own video, like I said before, I'm using Screencast-O-Matic for this one. I just opened it up, did a quick download, clicked record, and it said, do you want to record the screen or a webcam or both? And because I look like a monster today, I just said, let's just look at the screen. Nobody needs to see me. So I clicked that. It gives me a nice little border around my screen, and I can see what's being recorded. And then I clicked go, and I started talking. So super easy to use. So that's Screencast-O-Matic, is actually doing this screencast of Zaption. So in our Zaption, I would just want to take you through all of the things that you can add to your Zaption. You can do a text slide, you can do an image slide, you can do drawings, open response, numerical responses, multiple choice, checkboxes, drawn responses, discussions, and so on. If you don't have a pro account, some of these will be grayed out, but it's still really interactive at the basic account. If you want to know more about using Zaption, there's a great tutorial video when you first get started that I really encourage you to watch. It is just a few minutes long and really, really a great resource. And it looks like this. It's called Welcome to Zaption, and it's a little video there. And you can just play it from the start. Alright, that's great. It's kind of fun doing a new way of doing our Tech Tuesdays, making it a little more techy. Let me know if you're interested in creating one yourself that we can upload, and if you need more guidance with using screencasting tools, webcam stuff, creating videos using Zaption, then please just let me know. Alright, thanks. Have a great day.